Today brings you a wake-up shifter knob handle installation tutorial. Main installation method. There is also a method of disassembling the original. First we need to remove the screw on the top of this shifter knob handle. Now it has been torn down. It has 2 marbles. There's also a screw on the bottom side. This all needs to be disassembled. The other one loosened the 2 screws in this place. Loosen it and don't screw it off. Let's go below. Look at this disassembly method of our original car shifter knob handle. It is pulled out from this side. This snap and it falls off. You can see that this place has a screw. Then go and remove this screw. The other one is the same. Remove the plastic underneath first. The screws are on the side. Mark the location of the original car when disassembling. Easy to install later. The small shifter knob handle has a snap. It's in this. You can take a look. There is one on both sides. We've gone and removed the original car's shifter knob handle. Then install our shifter knob handle. You can see that this place has a small square entrance. It's similar to the original car. It is also installed according to the original car location. And stuck it in. Install the screws of the original car here. When it was dismantled, it was marked here. Install to the marked location when installing. Then tighten the screws. There are also 2 screws on both sides. This is installed finish. Then install another one. Let's go and align this screw hole to this screw hole on the left side of the original car. Stop when you hear the snapping sound. The reverse is the same. Just now we marked the location of the original car in this place. After putting it in, push the transfer case 4L. We're going to put this thimble on this side. Install it after aligning with the position. Then lock the screws. Install this nut on the ejector pin. Then tighten these 2 screws. But additionally we found there are also 2 holes in this place above. These 2 holes are for JK. So this hole does not need to be installed. After we screwed it out, Check again. After checking it again, let's go and fasten this button. After the check, then install this decorative panel. It is also possible to use screw locking. It is now all installed. The screws on both sides can be locked. A little bit of power. You don't screw hard.